Hello, I'm Kevin Hull with Yaskawa. We're here at FabTech 2019, and this is our 3D printer demo. This year we're exhibiting our Compass software, which is a very highly customizable G-code application that OEMs can configure to provide a very highly customized solution for their end users. We're looking at Yaskawa Compass auto screen right now as we're running a part, and as I said, it's highly configurable, and we're showing 4 different panels right now. We can see the position panel in the upper left where we have configured to see the X, Y, Z and the extruder position. We can look at the machine or the work coordinates or the distance to go in any one move. Just above that, we're looking at the feed rate override panel where we can change the speed on the fly. Over at the upper right, we can see the G-code file of the part that we're printing scrolling past. And down in the lower left region, we see some customized panels for the 3D printing process. So we're looking at the extruder temperatures and the fan speed settings. As an OEM, you can customize Compass by going into the customization mode. Let's take a look at how we can customize the Compass layout. And right now we are in customized mode. We can customize the zones. We can select how many zones we want on the screen. Right now we're looking at 6 zones. We could reduce that to 2. Within each of those zones, we can select what widget or plugin we'd like to see in that region. So let's pick an analog control button. We could add several of these if we like to. So we could fill the entire zone with those type of controls, and then we can furthermore go into the panel configuration itself and further configure the attributes of that panel that are selectable. OEMs can configure not only the graphical screen components, but also they can customize the MotionWorks IEC template to provide a very highly customized solution for their end users.